And this is just a view of our Material Explorer. It's just a visualization of this particular work order, feeding this sales order. And these are the work orders that feed these work orders. We have initial stock, and these are the raw materials that are basically being sent into this process. And you probably can't see it, but there's dates under this. That's the availability of these items, these raw material items. Keep this in mind as we do the supply chain slides upcoming, because having those raw materials arrive on time and at the time you expect is critical to being able to actually run this process and generate this. What it allows you to see, though, is what you need to see. So you need to see that raw material coming in and being available.
And then from an MES standpoint, right, I'd already mentioned less changeover means longer runs, more opportunity to create Kanbans. MES can actually help with monitoring Kanban levels, and with that, even feed into maintenance by saying, hey, I've built a Kanban of, let's say, 10, 15 minutes. I see this machine requiring, let's say, a small maintenance soon. You can do it now and take the next 10 minutes to do it without disrupting. So it helps feeding into predictive maintenance. Whether we use the right materials, which I already mentioned in the Pelican Roost example, which is really key to make sure that we don't waste certain materials where we shouldn't use them, and we don't, for example, fill materials where we shouldn't fill them. So the MES actively helps guide operators to make sure that for the job that they're working on, they're using the right materials or components that they're supposed to use.